Hello, I am Rohini Thomre, and today in this session I will going to discuss with you what is water pollution as a type of pollution. Before start with the actual water pollution, let us discuss the definition of pollution. Pollution is the introduction of substances or energy that cause adverse changes in the environment and living entities. Pollution need not always be caused by the chemical substances like smoke and dust, but it also can caused due to some form of energy such as sound, heat or light. The substances that causes pollution are called pollutants. These are the different types of pollutions are air pollutions, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, light pollution, thermal pollution, and radioactive pollution. Now, we will discuss what is water pollution. Water pollution is one form of pollution which is defined as a contamination of water bodies. It can be also said which occur when toxic pollutants and particulate matters are introduced into water bodies such as lakes, rivers, and seas. These contaminants are generally introduced by human activities like improper sewage treatment and oil spills. However, even natural processes such as eutrophication can cause the water pollution. Now, let us discuss what are the causes of water pollution. Water pollution may be caused due to urbanization, deforestation, industrial influence, social and religious practices, use of detergent and fertilizer, agricultural runoff, such as use of insecticides and pesticides. Let us discuss one by one. One of the primary cause of water pollution is the contamination of water bodies by toxic chemicals. As mentioned, the dump plastic bottles, tins, water cans and other waste pollutes the water bodies. This results in water pollution which harm not just only humans but a whole ecosystem. Toxic drains from these pollutants travel up to the food chain and eventually affect humans. Nearly 6 billion kilograms of garbage is dumped every year in the ocean. Apart from industrial influence and untreated sewage, other form of unwanted materials are also dumped into various water bodies. This can range from nuclear waste to oil spills. Now, human and animal wastage is also going to be dumping into water bodies. Also, there are large amount of pesticides and fertilizers are used for agricultural purpose which also causes the water pollution. Now we will discuss different effects of water pollution. The effect of water pollution depends upon the type of pollutants and its concentration. Also, it depends on the location of water bodies and it determines the level of pollution. Water bodies in the vicinity of urban areas are extremely polluted. This is the result of dumping garbage and toxic chemicals by industrial and commercial establishment which causes the disruption of ecosystem. Water pollution drastically affect the aquatic marine life also. It affects their metabolism, behavior. They are also going to causes the illness and eventual death of aquatic life. Dioxin is a chemical that causes a lot of problems from reproduction to uncontrolled cell growth or cancer. This chemical is bioaccumulated in fish, chicken, and meat. Chemicals such as this travel up the food chain before entering the human body. It also increases the risk of waterborne disease. The effect of water pollution can have a huge impact on food chain. It can also affected on human health. Humans are affected by pollution and can contrast disease such as hepatitis through fecal matter in water sources. Poor drinking treatment and unfit water can always cause an outbreak of infectious disease such as cholera. The ecosystem can be critically affected, modified, and destructed because of water pollution. Eutrophication is also one of the effects of water pollution. Now, let us discuss the control measures of water pollution. Water pollution, to a large extent, can be controlled by a variety of methods. Rather than releasing sewage waste into water bodies, it is better to treat them before discharge. Practicing this can reduce the initial toxicity, and the remaining substances can be degraded and rendered harmless by the water bodies itself. If the secondary treatment of water has been carried out, then this can be reused in sanitary system and agricultural field. A very special plant like water hyacinth can absorb the dissolved toxic chemicals such as cadmium and other such elements. Establishing these in region prone to such kinds of pollutant will reduce the adverse effect of large extent. Some chemical methods are also there that helps in to control the water pollution. Precipitation, the ion exchange process, reverse osmosis, and coagulation. These are the process which can also used to control the water pollution. Thank you. Thank you for patience listening.